Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Unlock Your Learning. In this video, we are going to solve ICSE Mathematics Class 8 Chapter 3 Square and Square Roots exercise 3A question number 11, right? So, what does this question have to say? Find the smallest square number which is completely divisible by each of the number 10, 16 and 24. So, this we have to find here, right? So, see what will we do here? We have 10, 16 and 24. All these three numbers we have. Now what we will do is that we will find their LCM. So LCM of 10, 16, 24, which is going to be what? See, 10, 16, 24. So this will go by 2, 5, 8, 12, 2, 5, 4, 6, again 2, 5, 2, 3, now 5 here, so 1, 1, 3. Okay, so this way it is done. Now you can see here one pair this I can make, another pair this I can make, and another pair this I can make. So this cannot be made a pair. But the real thing is there is no need to make these pairs. Just multiply. So don't make these pairs and don't get confused. Just multiply all these factors so that you get what? LCM. Remember, we are finding LCM, not square root. So don't make these pairs and just multiply. So 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 5 into 3. 4 times 2 here and 5 and 3 here. This is going to be 16 into 5 into 3. 4 into 8 into 16 into 5 into 3. So 16 into 5 is what? 80, right? Into 3, that is going to give you 240. So the LCM of 10, 16 and 24 becomes 240. The next step will be to see that you can see this LCM we have got, right? This LCM we have got. But one thing now that comes to the mind is that can we do something here? Because now we have made it till here, but we still have not found the smallest number, that is the square number, right? 240, we don't know it is a square number or not. It is just the smallest number divisible by 10, 16, 24. So to make 240 a square number, what we will do? See, we have done this previously in the previous question. By what number should the number be multiplied to make it a perfect square? That we will do here. So multiplied, it was 5 and 3 are left. 5 and 3 are left out of these pairs. This could have we can make, but 5 and 3 are left. So what we will do with this 5 and 3, multiply it, right? So we have 5 into 3, this will be multiplied, sorry, not 33, this will be 15 here. 15 we have got. So that means 240 should be multiplied by 15 to make it a perfect square. So see, 240 into 15, which is 0. 15 into 4 is 60, and 0 and 6 here. 15 into 30 plus 6, so 3600 or 3600, that becomes your answer. So that means this is the smallest square number that should be taken, right? That should be there, that is completely divisible by 10, 16, 24. One more reason here is that you might get confused. I have made 15 here, but we want a perfect square. Now you will say perfect square can be made by two ways. Either we can divide 240 by 15 or we can multiply 240 by 15, right? This we all know. But see, one thing very important. Why have I not divided it by 15? If I divided 240 by 15, right? First of all, you can see here 15 and 240. So we could have it will cut, and how many times will this go? 1 and 6. So 16 we could have got here. But do you see that 16 is not divisible by 10, 16 and 24? It is the smallest one, right? We don't need that because the LCM only is 240, and if we are going below 240, then it will not be divisible by all the three numbers. Thus we have multiplied it so that it is divisible also and a perfect square also. Alright. And friends, this is all for today. If you are new to my YouTube channel, do not forget to subscribe and leave a like on this one. Till then, take good care of yourselves and